Well, looking outside right now, lots of clouds, not a lot of rain in the Springfield area. There's been enough to make it damp at times today. 73, winds light out of the east. As far as what we've got in terms of rainfall in the area, most of it's been off to the southeast or roughly south of I-44. There have been some pockets of heavy rain, but most of it has been light. Most locations amounts have been under ½ an inch easy. But there have been a few places where maybe 1 to 2 inches of rain has fallen, and that's kind of an example of how things are going to go throughout this week. Looking at the month of May, we've certainly had a lot of days with wet weather around over the last couple of weeks. We just haven't had a lot of that rainfall at the airport where we take that measurement. So we're looking at 2½ inches so far for the month of May, which is well off, or roughly half, the average May rainfall, but we've still got plenty of time, and we've got still plenty of rain in the forecast as we look ahead to the next week. Again, this wave of showers and isolated thunderstorms will continue to pivot off toward the northwest of the area tonight into tomorrow. There are additional rainmakers, though, that I can point out right now. We have one that is in South Texas. That will come into the area by Thursday. There's another one that's actually a little closer to our area right now, but it's kind of like the hub on the wheel. So it's going to send this rainmaker to the south into the area on Thursday, and then this will pivot across the area as we get into Friday, and there'll be additional rainmakers as we work through Saturday and Sunday. So the bottom line is the showery pattern that we've had today, we're going to find more of, especially Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and possibly into Sunday. Now for tomorrow, I think with today's rainmaker lifting north of the area and then kind of getting strung out, we're not going to have a big trigger to get rain going, but it's going to be warm and humid, and there will at least, I think, be some spotty showers and thunderstorms, especially over southwest Missouri and northwest Arkansas once we get to tomorrow afternoon. So looking at our hour by hour, this evening the rain will fade, and I think that as the clouds thin out, that's going to open the door to the possibility of areas of fog. And then for tomorrow, those areas of fog and clouds will thin out, and I think skies become partly cloudy. And I think the result is going to be a warmer day. I think most areas hit 80 degrees tomorrow afternoon. Notice by late afternoon, though, we've got rain and thunder here over northwest Arkansas. I think we're going to find some over southwest Missouri as well. And then as we work through Wednesday night into Thursday, as that next chunk of upper level energy or that next rainmaker moves in, we're going to see areas of rain and embedded thunder similar to what we saw today across the area. Temperatures tonight dropping to about 61. Again, fog could be an issue in spots, especially along and south of the interstate. So keep that in mind if you're traveling early tomorrow. Looks like afternoon highs generally in the low 80s. I think we get to 81 here in Springfield. And then on Thursday with more clouds and the wet weather, I think we're looking at mid to upper 70s for highs generally across the area. Same on Friday. Lots of clouds, scattered showers. I think a bit more sunshine on Saturday, near 80 for a high. And I think sunnier still on Sunday with widely scattered showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon and high of around 80 degrees. It will dry out, I think, as we get into early next week. June begins on Monday, and it looks like we're going to find mostly sunny skies, highs around 80 degrees with more of the same on Tuesday of next week. Jesse?
All right.